Well, hello and welcome to Artsy's second Sunday. Today, there are several of us in this video hop, and you'll be able to see who the next person is down below. So the theme that I'm working on is candle, and I'm just going to have a play about. This is a journal, a catalogue journal, and I've got different things in, and I've only got a few pages left, so if you come back next month you'll be able to see a flip through of this journal. And I'm going to be playing today with some neo colours and some of these folk arts. I've got these kind of paler colours that I've had for a long time, and I thought let me just use them on the page. I will leave the other prompts for this month in the description. Okay, so we're gonna get on. So what I normally do is play about with some background and then allow the image to form, and you can take a look at some of my other videos that I've done in Artsy Second Sunday similar to that, and I haven't done that for a while, so that's what we're going to do. So let us get started. As I said, this is a catalogue. I'm just going to play about with some colours. I haven't used my neo colours for a very long time, and yeah, I want to see what how it comes together. So I hope you enjoy. I'm in the chat, so if you want to ask any questions, please do go ahead. Okay.